Guys, today I'm going to be doing a video, but just 1 minute, guys. Just wait 1 minute. Okay, guys, today I'm going to be doing a video, and thank you for that 1 subscriber. I hope you're still watching. And today we're going to be doing slime with my sister Magali and me, Paula. So welcome back. And I think the name I'm gonna call you guys is My Little Stars. So welcome back, my little stars. So this is gonna be yours, I guess. And this is gonna be mine, and that's gonna be hers.
Yeah, that's smaller.
Just in case this isn't enough, it's not gonna be enough. We just bought some extra and the activator. And food coloring. So we're gonna start with the glue. Do you want one?
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go. Just put the garbage here.
How do you open this?
I think it goes like, just open the whole thing.
Oh. There we go.
Wow.
It's not coming.
I know.
You're supposed to do something? Ew, I was like glue.
Yes, almost stick glue. Better put that away now.
Let me look at a towel.
Okay. Yeah, Sam, can you get me one? Can you get me one? Get me one. That tastes disgusting. Oh well. Here you go. Okay. Gonna put the glue inside. Oh, look at that. So satisfying.
Ew. I'm not like glue, but I think I need more.
That is
Get out. Let me know.
I only have more. Just this tiny glue. That is all I really have.
I think you need more.
Yeah, it's the same thing, so you'll need more too. Just put it here. Are you almost done? How come you have more than me?
Because I'm squeezing. Do you need help squeezing?
No.
Oh yeah, the small.
It's,
Get out of it. Let me help. And break it.
wow.
Yeah, I think you need more.
Yeah, let me just
Yep.
let's put that over there. Okay. So, did you put something in mine?
Yeah, but I only put like half. Okay, that's enough. Yeah,
All right.
that's all for you.
That's mine.
I think you need more.
Okay. That's mine now.
This is.
Can we use it all?
Huh?
Can we use it all?
Sure.
I'm going crazy.
Oh, look.
Go need a towel. Okay, let's throw this away. Or just keep it here.
Okay.
Can I have a towel? Can you get me one? Thanks. Okay. Okay, now there's stars. This is mine. This is hers. Thank you. Okay, go. Now let's put these away. Now,
Do we keep asking?
food coloring.
No, you got. Oh, do
Yeah,
we
but
do that?
food coloring
Oh, yeah.
first. Or you can do it whichever order you want.
No, I will do food color. Okay, I
What
will
did
use
blue-
all the colors.
What did blue and red make?
I'm
You're in
not
second
sure.
grade. I already failed second grade.
Blue and red, I think it makes brown. Yeah, it makes brown.
Fine, then I'm only doing those cool. But I want red. Ooh, what's this color?
White. How much?
Why do we have white if it's white right now?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, and then
How do you open this?
this one is
It's got
darker.
food coloring. If it's called food coloring, can I eat it?
No. No.
Ew.
Told you.
Get me something. Look at that. I wiped it off.
Do you want
Yes. Not water. Not water. That'll make it worse. Go get me something to wipe my face with. Thank you.
Ew.
That's not very good. Here you go. Thanks. So I'm gonna pick
And then
red.
yellow, blue, and red.
So I have red, and she has don't put too much.
Okay.
Yellow. She has blue and yellow.
And I'm
And
gonna use
I
red.
have red. And she's gonna use red too. So
I don't know how to use it.
Look at that.
Do you just squeeze it? Squeeze it?
yeah. Oh, did you open it?
No. You
Oh.
open it? Ah, okay. Okay, thank you.
Don't put too
Is
much.
this yellow? Oh yes, that is.
It's yellow.
It's yucky.
Yeah, I'll turn it to yellow.
Okay, no. I hate this color because I'm blue.
You already have some in it. Remember, put a little of each. So it'll turn equal. Do you guys like mine? The blood. Have you ever heard of Youngblood? Youngblood? That's a good song though. What kind of songs do you listen to? Probably kids songs. So do blue and red make actually I might just put a little bit. Not that much.
Then what?
That's it. Was this blue?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I want to get
Maggie,
what?
you said this was blue.
It is blue. Why?
It's black.
Then this is blue. Oh no, put my blue there. I want black.
You just ruined my slime.
Wait, open that. If we put blue there, it's not going to turn to black.
This is all your fault. Now you have to get more black. See, look at that. It's black. How did you not notice?
If you put blue there, it's going to
Maybe this is gonna take over.
look in the bright side.
What bright side? There's no bright side. Look what she did to my slime.
Okay then.
I need more red, or else it's gonna turn over black. Is this even red?
Yeah, that's what else can it be?
This is all my food coloring. Do you guys like it? Get me a spoon, please.
I really found the one. Here it goes. This one. I guess you have to that one.
activator. Activator time.
Yeah, but don't waste it all.
That's good.
I need more glue, I think.
I need more X. Guys, look at that. Look what you did to my slime. Thanks a lot.
Oh, it's small.
You used it all.
What's that stuff?
Go wash this.
Okay.
Now.
And then put activate.
I'm gonna go wash my hands too. This is a disaster because of you. Because it was blue. How did it look like blue?
Yeah.
Look what she did to my slime, guys. I think she just ruined it. Give me it.
Wait. Go.
Look what you did to mine now. It's barely a slime.
Put activate though.
I put activator.
Let's see how mine turns out. I don't know.
It's you.
I need more, but don't waste it. Yeah, put lots enough because I better have any.
Mine's a total mess.
How can I use this spoon?
Yes, but I'm still doing my slime.
Okay. I wonder which color mine's going to turn. Look it. Comment below which color you think mine's going to turn. I don't know. But only thing I can say it looks beautiful. Wait. Dab and
Okay, just my mom and my sister. It's not slime because of you now.
Can I have it now?
What?
Can I have it now?
Sure. Let me just hold it back. Yeah.
That's not black. That's a
You ruined my slime, I'll ruin yours.
Thank you.
Look at mine.
Yeah, good.
You ruined me. How funny. Not funny.
Wait, I didn't put activator. Activator. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I need some. I wasn't even done with mine. You stole mine. You're a bad sister.
Okay, I'm more activator.
Your activator.
No, I have more activator.
I need slime. Ha, yours is black too now.
Okay.
Okay. I'm doing activate. I'm gonna go somewhere.
touch the slime. I feel bad for horse. So melted. Let me see if I can like do some stuff to this. Those are so long. But
Yes, because you give me more
no,
activators.
Pa, I think because you put so much activator. Look at mine. See, it's working.
Mine's all water because of you.
Because you put too much. See? It's not because the black, pal. It's because the activator. Maybe you put too much. Maybe you put just a little bit. But I think you put too much. Maybe I'll try to fix it.
Yeah. Can't please use the spoon. Fine, I'm gonna use another spoon.
Don't need
Leave this for it. Let's see if it gets all the chunks. I can't save it anymore.
Why? Why?
Because it died because of you.
It's dying?
Yes, it died. Mine's a horrible mess.
How you can make the other one?
There's no more glue. Put this in the garbage again.
Have luck to mine. Hope mine works. Look at mine, guys. It's like it's fine. Or does it mean that that's illegal? I don't have any more, so I'm not sure. Go away, you ugly black. The black is too strong, I think. Okay, all of you, I need my side. After this.
sounds interesting. Hers became apparently slime. Mine became nothing. Well, thanks guys for watching our guys. Let's just wait till my sister. I'm just clean up right here. There's nothing better to do.
I need the other piece of the activator.
What?
Because I need no activator.
That's sad. Stop! What are you doing? See, you're gonna make it like mine.
What? Like this?
Yeah. Yours is garbage too now.
We all have garbage cans. I guess it didn't work, guys. None of us got perfect slime. We tried our best.
Yeah, harder.
Mmm, this tastes good.